To set up the alarm clock on Motorola Moto G15, first you can try to find a clock in the app drawer right here, but I find it much easier to just click on the clock that is by default set on as a widget on our home screen. So you can click on that or the app. Then you can click on a plus button to start creating your alarm. First thing is to pick a time where it should ring, and then we can click on OK. Our alarm will be created with the time that we selected. Then we can adjust on which days it should ring. You can enable it only for tomorrow, or you can use whichever days you like it to ring. Then there's the pause alarm that you can select specific days where it shouldn't ring from your calendar, or you can also change a music for the alarm as well with different tones, or go for your own sounds with the plus button. Next thing is enable or disable vibrations for the alarm as well, and you can also add the Google Assistant routine to it as well if you into that kind of stuff. So yeah. Finally, last thing is to delete if you want to remove that alarm. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.